and welcome to the Sports Coin in association and collaboration with the Express Sports. We've got Anurag, Prathamesh, a very smiley Anurag there, Prathamesh, and of course Akshay and Atul as our two guests today. To all four of you gents, a very warm welcome to the channel and thank you so much for being here. There is no better place to start for us. The India tour of Australia, the much wanted, much waited for tour of Australia of this Indian team, perhaps arguably the greatest modern rivalry in international cricket. I think over the past 20 years, you'll find it difficult to actually find two countries who played at that level so consistently. And to kick us off, we've got the three one-day internationals in the ODI series. Anurag, this for me is my favorite time in 4 years. Now it's come back in 2 years.
Yeah.
Admittedly, we seem to be playing Australia and England way too much. But how excited are you for this series? This is the first international engagement since February, if I'm not wrong.
Yep.
February was the time when India played
New
the overs
Zealand.
in New Zealand, having a
Yep.
horrible time of it. I remember we were
Yeah.
we were in Mumbai watching those matches. They're pretty bad. Uh, you know, sort of a similar looking one-day squad that is out there in Australia.
Yep.
We could have pretty much picked at least 12 of the 15 main probables that you talk about. How do you see this India squad? What is the impact of Rohit Sharma not being there is going to be?
Oh my God. Yeah. I think that's the first big blow, Rohit Sharma not being there. Uh, Again, is if you look at the squad and you wonder if there is anyone who can really replace the sort of just the there isn't even a replica of the guy in the squad. I know there are talented names, there are big names, there are great names. I understand that totally, but I hope Mayank Agarwal. I think Mayank Agarwal might get the first shot at the opening slot. Now
I'm
I
pretty
that
sure. I'm pretty sure he should. I
yeah,
think
he totally should.
his
And
performances in List A have been good.
yeah, it totally has been. And I want to see what's the new thing Virat Kohli is going to make KL Rahul do. Last time I think he might even try a bungee jump, then a skydive. He's made him do everything. He's made him bat in one of the many big complaints that I've had on Virat Kohli's captaincy in the last couple of years is just the amount of experimentation he's done with KL Rahul alone. And
And even Pant to an extent.
Pant, yeah, exactly. But yeah, totally. But that doesn't fit my agenda right now. But so, but again, KL Rahul is one of those we saw in the IPL. You give him a fixed role, you give him a fixed position in the side. He is going to give you tons of runs, sometimes even more than the Kohlis and Rohits, and that is the sort of talent you're talking about. Why not? I think that was a bit too much unnecessary. I felt, and I hope he gets a so let it be number 4, number 5, whatever it may be. I want him to bat at a fixed position in the first place. Opening wouldn't be bad as well, but I think Mayank, I think his case is going to be a little more stronger as it stands. Let's see
And
whether.
also, I feel Anurag, you can't really play Mayank in any of the position.
Yeah, absolutely.
And
Yeah,
I think
I
KL's sort of
versatility comes
versatility
in.
is
Yeah,
against him in this sense.
yeah,
I don't think, and also if you look at the future of the 2023 World Cup, I'm pretty
totally.
sure they're looking at Shikhar and Rohit as the openers. I think those two are the sort of fixed ones for now. Things can change in the next 3 years, but still.
Yeah, and also name one Indian who understands the sea of cricket who will not be excited by the sheer fact that Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Shami in the form that they are in will be bowling together.
Yeah.
That is absolutely astounding for me, and I hope Navdeep Saini can sort of pull off what sometimes Navdeep Saini. What I've found with Navdeep Saini is if you're asking him to bowl a particular length, he is going to bowl there six out of 6 times. But that is where he becomes predictable as well, and that's what an unnecessary sunrises segue. I'm doing this, but that's what Kane Williamson did to him. He just played that not even a late cut. He just guided that Yorker to a boundary behind the sticks. That's what
Yeah.
he's prone to do. But again, that consistency is something that not a lot of bowlers have. So if he can make something out of the resources that he has, Bumrah, Shamin, Saini. When was the last time we had 345 people who can hit 145 on a regular basis ball in Australia? So I'm so excited for this trio more than anything else.
All right. Akshay, when we talk about a fast bowling attack, when we talk about the pace battery, I can see that, of course, India made some interesting selections here. You have the leader of the pack, that is Jasprit Bumrah.
Yeah.
Mohammad Shami. I guess you would argue both of them are co-leaders at this point because
Yeah.
it's very difficult to choose between the two of them. I think both of them have been stupendous. White ball, red ball, all cricket. There are big questions, Akshay or Hardik Pandya. Is he going to play as a batsman, or can he bowl? Is he effective enough? Fit enough to bowl in one days? Because if he is, then that changes the balance of your team. You might not see an Navdeep Saini if you have like 6-7 overs guaranteed from Hardik, but we don't know his situation. And then you have got Shardul Thakur as the reserve, as the main reserve, I would think, as the bowler. So bowling to yaar is looking fine. I don't think हम लोग को bowling में tension है because Anurag is talking about bowling and 145 above ये सारे हैं and we've seen that consistently.
Yeah.
My question to you is, where we tend to flounder in England, in South Africa, in Australia, when we flounder, वो होती है जब run नहीं बनते. So just a quick word of yours on bowling, on Hardik Pandya specifically, and just a question of your, of your opinion of the opening combination and the middle order.
ओपनिंग का लाइक अनुराग ने जैसे बोला, ओपनिंग का तो अभी विल हैव टू सी. मयंक इज ऑब्वियसली द फ्रंट रनर टू ओपन अपने केस में, और मिडिल ऑर्डर का तो वही एक्सपीरियंस होते रहता है, तो विल जस्ट सी. मतलब अभी देखने को ही मिलेगा. तो वो तो आई थिंक एक्सपेरिमेंट्स के हिसाब से अगर आप देख रहे हो तो आई थिंक केएल नंबर 4, नंबर 3 अपने विराट साहब. बाकी
फिर बट थोड़ा अनफेयर नहीं है श्रेयस अय्यर के लिए.
श्रेयस अय्यर
टोटली फॉरगॉट.
श्रेयस अय्यर मतलब अभी एडजस्ट करना पड़ेगा. कोई नहीं, सब टैलेंटेड है. अभी किसी को ना किसी को एडजस्ट करने पड़ेगा पोजीशंस पे. आई नो इट्स
एडजस्टमेंट में हमने वर्ल्ड कप निकाल दिया भाई.
मिडिल क्लास सजेशन, मोस्ट इंडियन मिडिल क्लास सजेशन.
मतलब ऑब्वियसली अभी क्या है, सभी
Actually, it's not to gang up on you or anything.
Yeah,
but
make a point. Yeah,
ये बहुत like this pisses me off. I mean, you've got the richest board in the world. You've got at least financially the best facilities available. May not be qualitatively, but अगर आपके पास इतना सब कुछ है and you've had the captaincy for 4.5 years, 5 years now maybe. Still not been able to give me a settled team, bro. Like what the fuck is going on? आपका number 4 जो एक लौंडा खिलाया, आप हम लोग that it is not your fault, but it shows stupidity in planning. ना आप किस basis पे you can't drop Shikhar? Everyone was talking about Shikhar towards the end of last year. वो drop होगा. आई ऑस्ट्रेलिया इंडिया ही छोड़ के रख दिया. Then he went to score runs in New Zealand also. He's had a fantastic IPL. How do you drop?
As always, has a good World Cup.
Yeah. Oh, had a fantastic World Cup until he played. And उनके इन्हीं के against century मारा था उसने.
Yeah.
It's just confused planning.
Exactly. नहीं यार, सही बात करी तूने कि एक फ्लो बनना चाहिए, एक कंसिस्टेंसी चाहिए स्क्वाड में. तो वो ऑब्वियसली नहीं है, बट अभी यूज्ड टू हो गए हैं. तो we are used to seeing these experiments. तो I think अभी थोड़ा आदत बैठ गया है कि कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा. तो वो एक एक्साइटमेंट है ही.
अक्षय, तुझे ये नहीं लगता कि अतुल थोड़ा ज्यादा used to है एक्सपेरिमेंट से?
हाँ, वो तो शफल तो होते ही रहता है. केकेआर की बात नहीं करेंगे. सॉरी प्रंत भाई, सॉरी अतुल, केकेआर की बात नहीं करेंगे. बट ऑब्वियसली जो मतलब शफल होता है बैटिंग ऑर्डर पर, अभी टैलेंटेड सब है. अभी टॉप 3 तो अपना सेट ही रहता है. फिर नंबर 4 की बात आती है. आई थिंक नंबर 4 इज द पोजीशन जो वर्ल्ड कप से ही चल रहा है, जो अभी तक सॉर्ट हो जाना चाहिए था कि एक बैट्समैन को तुम बिठा रहे हो उधर नंबर 4 पे, वो खेल रहा है कंसिस्टेंटली उधर.
That number 4 issue has been going on since the 17th century, man. I mean, क्या पागलपंती है एकदम. Yeah, continue. Sorry.
और बॉलिंग ऑप्शंस लाइक अनुराग सेड कि मजा आएगा. शमी और बुमराह एक साथ होंगे, एक साथ खेलेंगे तो मजा आएगा यार. मतलब जो फॉर्म में है, सुपर ओवर तो देखी थी हमने.
Exactly.
सुपर ओवर comes to my mind. Bumrah, Shami, excellent bowler.
I think Shami just mentioned yesterday in some interview that he absolutely loved the fact that against the top quality batsman he defended 5 runs. Yeah.
And taking nothing away from Jassi, but he restricted them to that. Like it was
totally,
crazy. Like, And we'll come to
Yeah, that's an epic combination. No? Yeah.
yeah, we'll come to सहने सहलाने वाले लोग हमारे अतुल यार I think India, when we talk of India, when we talk of especially white ball cricket, हम लोग का expectation रहता है कि I think when you have that quality of a team, जब आपका उस standard के players हैं in all departments, I wouldn't think any department, even we'll come to the test series maybe in a later video, but even with Virat Kohli leaving, बहुत सारे experts predict कर रहे हैं कि it will become increasingly difficult, India becomes underdogs immediately. I feel like, he's your best batsman, he's your best player, whatever, but with the kind of resources you have, and it makes it difficult for sure. There is no one like Virat, or in this case there is no one like Rohit Sharma. But does this really mean कि मतलब the level of doubt that we have going into the series, what does it say about this position where Indian team is at right now?
See, for me, if you think of it, Virat Kohli is replaceable. To be really honest, the thing is,
Totally.
we've seen
बस गए dislikes इस वीडियो पे
No,
दबा के
He was
the-
gone,
the
dude.
thing
He was
being-
gone.
आंखें खुल गए,
the-
आंखें
the
खुल गए
thing
इन लोग
being-
के। ये
the-
कान खुल गए, आंखें
the
खुल
thing
गई।
being
No.
that
Don't worry. The country is totally divided into left and right. No one is central right now, so it's
Yeah.
fine.
the thing
अरे
is,
नहीं,
We'll get views.
अरे
There
let
are-
him
there-
finish, boys.
Yeah,
Let
sorry.
him finish.
Yeah.
the thing being that we've seen Virat playing at number 3 for a long time now. That's why we know that he's one of the best in the world itself. But again, as Anurag mentioned, that we know how KL Rahul is. So if we'll try to experiment with that, we can. See, Virat will be playing the ODI series. So anyway, let's not talk about it. But if you think of it, someone can fill up in that position. If you think of the other tests, you have Ajinkya Rahane to be playing that role. Like, you need to just settle the debate by having the right player in the right place. Not Rahane. Pujara will be number 3 in the test matches after Virat leaves. Virat anyway plays at number 4. So Rahane can chip in. Rahane can come above.
Yeah, I think
You can, and like you have been building Rishabh Pant for the last 2 years, you can have him play at number 4. Like, that's your choice. Like, let him play. Let him have the balls he wants to have, and like construct an inning. So in that manner, I think ठीक है, Virat is one of the best we have, one of the best run scorer we have. But थोड़ा सा plan करके if you play ना, like Australian attack isn't the best in the world right now. Let's just-
किस एरिया में तू कहेगा कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया के मतलब ओ माय गॉड फूफा हैं एकदम लोग, मतलब दासू एकदम, कोई भी नहीं, मतलब सीरियसली even if you look at the bowling, I can give you comparative bowling attacks of different teams in their own conditions, because let's not forget कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया की होम कंडीशन, तो सबसे ज्यादा फेवरेट तो उन्हीं के लिए ये रहेंगे सारे ट्रैक्स, उन्हीं की बॉलिंग के लिए. इंडिया इन इंडिया बेहतर है, इंग्लैंड इन इंग्लैंड बेहतर है, मैं तो आर्ग्यू करूंगा न्यूजीलैंड इन न्यूजीलैंड और साउथ अफ्रीका कंपेरेबल है, इफ नॉट बेटर. तो मतलब ऐसा क्या तोड़ है, मतलब तोप है ऑस्ट्रेलिया का बॉलिंग अटैक? कुछ भी नहीं, एंड उसमें भी अगर परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं
हम लोग जाके देखते हैं ना कि नेथन लायन ऑस्ट्रेलियन पिचेस पे टर्न करके इंडियन बैट्समैन को परेशान कर देता है, एंड दैट शुडंट बी हैपनिंग टू बी रियली.
थोड़ी शर्म आनी चाहिए, मतलब हम लोगों को नेथन लायन को विकेट देके आते हैं हर बार.
So
मोइन अली और
Moeen
नेथन
Ali,
लायन,
exactly. Yeah.
मोइन अली और नेथन लायन, ये दो जो
नेथन लायन अच्छा है,
Nathan
बस
Lyon is
टेस्ट
still
के
better,
लिए
yeah.
बचा के
Moeen Ali.
रखा है वो लोग ने.
Yeah.
Dude, the worst I remember is Monty Panesar ripping us up at Wankhede. Like,
अरे वो एटलीस्ट इंडिया में आके घुमाया ना
Yeah.
बॉल, बर्मिंघम में थोड़ा ना बोल्ड कर रहा था.
So the thing being that we playing Leon like that just shows that we are not confident enough while we are batting in Australia. Like, we have that constant fear. Like, you can play Brett Lee or played McGrath in those kind of conditions. You have played Bracken, one of the best bowlers they have had.
Shane Warne.
Yeah, exactly. Shane Warne was there. Now, see, Nathan Lyon, all respect to him, he's one of the legends that Australia have. But ठीक है, you can play him. You ठीक है, थोड़ा देख के खेलो. And otherwise, Mitchell Stark is like, he'll have a purple patch, then he'll be out of form. He'll have a purple patch, then the two main fast bowlers that are going to be like ऐसे torment करने के लिए, that's Pat Cummins and Josh Hazelwood, because they
Hazelwood, yeah.
have the ability to bowl, as he said, Saini. They can bowl 6 balls consistently on the same pace, same length. They make the batsman
And
feel
both
a
of
bit
them are really
troubled.
tall, तो काफी
Like, if you think of it, like Cummins ठीक है bounce generate करता है, but when you see Hazelwood is one of the best bowlers in the world right now.
हाँ हाँ
I
बिल्कुल
actually rate
Agreed.
him higher than Pat Cummins. Like lot of people will disagree with me on this, but he doesn't get the opportunity as much as Pat Cummins does. So
Pat Cummins थोड़ा ज़्यादा flamboyant है. I think that is that helps.
Just the
him.
pace factor, I
yeah,
think.
pace factor exactly.
हाँ,
He has
and
higher
if
pace.
you
than-
remember, Pat Cummins started even like probably 10 kilometers faster than what he is right now. If you remember,
Yeah.
जब Australia South Africa के against आया था, he was a 150 bowler at 18 years old or something like that.
You know, Cummins and Ishant Sharma, I've been watching these people for so long. Like even
हाँ.
Cummins was in at some
Cha-
17, 18 age.
18
now
age.
already.
And then-
2012 Cummins I guess
हाँ.
made his debut in 2012 or 2013. So he
And
has
yeah,
Yeah,
he's
something
been
like
there for
that.
long
And then he had to wait for like 5 years or 6 years, something like
to
that.
really break this. Yeah.
But yeah. हाँ, so Atul, you were
so if you think of it like, so it's about Indian batsman का temperament rather than उनका bowling. See, you will have Sean Abbott. मैं कहता हूँ Sean Abbott is again can be a wild card, but Sean Abbott isn't as fast as those bowlers, those other bowlers. तो ठीक है, if you think of it, if you play like Australian pitches या जैसे drop in pitches हो गया, तो it's not that कि बहुत ज़्यादा pace generate अलग से होता है कुछ. And ठीक है, you played in England और you played in New Zealand, उतना swing भी generate नहीं होता ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, तो
हाँ.
थोड़ा टेम्परामेंट का बात है. लाइक तुम अपने ओपनर्स डिसाइड कर लो, बिकॉज यू नो टेस्ट में तो इंडिया अपने ओपनर्स ही सबसे पहले कंफ्यूज कर देगा. शुड वी गो विद शॉ, शुड वी गो विद गिल, दैट विल बी, बट हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओडीआईज एंड कोहली विल प्ले. तो द फर्स्ट थिंग इज धवन कांट बी ड्रॉप्ड आफ्टर सच एन आईपीएल. ठीक है,
No, he can't. I think Dhawan has to open with probably Mayank.
हाँ, बट here again Dhawan will open with KL Rahul. That's what I think will happen. The third one will be Virat Kohli, the
Can't
fourth
rule
one being Shreyas Iyer, and the fifth and sixth positions might go to Gill or Manish Pandey. The thing being,
यार गिल का क्या पॉइंट है इतना नीचे?
see T20 में the thing is he can't take balls and play like how Gill plays, but in
हाँ.
ODI he can build an inning. Like even Shreyas Iyer does that. He needs some
But
balls to,
bro, Gill.
I think that's too low a position.
गिल
for
के
him
तो
to
मतलब
bat.
otherwise
मैं तो
you need to,
अगर क्या आप हार्दिक पांड्या को ऐसे बैट्समैन
हार्दिक
खिला
पांड्या
दो.
ड्रॉप कर रहा है तू.
हाँ, हार्दिक पांड्या को ऐसे बैट्समैन खिला दो ना. मतलब मैं तो उसमें
हार्दिक
ज्यादा
Hardik
हाँ,
Pandya
टूटा हुआ
maybe.
हाथ है, बट कभी बॉलिंग करने का ऑप्शन भी रहता है उसके साथ.
नहीं यार.
हार्दिक पांड्या,
एक तो मैं आपकी फिनिश है गॉट अ कंप्लीट कपल ऑफ कंप्लीट.
Hardik Pandya maybe as
हाँ.
Hardik Pandya may be as flamboyant as he is, but the thing is he can't steady the innings for you as these people can. And as we know the tendency of the Indian openers, ठीक है, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में it's like they throw away wickets, ऐसे 3 wicket हो जाएगा within the 5 overs. So that's something that they'll need to think of it. Neither Rishabh Pant nor Hardik Pandya can provide you that ki we'll play till the 40th over, then we'll start attacking.
Definitely not
Maybe if
Sanju
we-
Samson.
So again, if you think of it, if you think in that manner, so Gill and Pandey are better options. And again, I still don't want to go with Hardik Pandya, to be honest, because I want Ravindra Jadeja in the team. I'm thinking of a team
I think
which is,
मैं तो सोच रहा था जड्डू और पांड्या दोनों खेलेंगे.
हाँ, even that
हाँ,
can happen.
exactly.
If you're thinking of it, कि 7 पे पांड्या है, ठीक है, 8, 9, 10, 11, ठीक है, तो you have to
8
play.
जडेजा.
But the thing is कि you need 5 bowlers. मैं जैसे team mention कर रहा हूँ, it doesn't have.
वही क्वेश्चन है.
So if you
Does
think,
Pandya bowl? If Pandya bowls, you don't need an Navdeep Saini.
yeah,
If Pandya doesn't bowl, then you can't have Pandya because then आपको bowler कम पड़ जाएगा एक.
Yeah.
see how the batsmen in the team, the Australian team they are quite vulnerable to spin if you think of it. So India can gamble on the thing being not playing Hardik Pandya, having Ravindra Jadeja, because Ravindra Jadeja has started batting brilliantly since the World Cup, if you remember.
Why
Okay.
not play? अच्छा, just one suggestion. Why not just have Jadeja at number 7? ठीक है. But the problem with that becomes is कि हम लोग का last 4 जो है, they are just like not batters at all.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
is the problem.
that's
They're not
the
even.
biggest
They're
issue.
not even like bat
डिफेंड भी नहीं करेंगे.
Only Shami has that capability कि 10 में से एक
एक
innings
six
वो
मार
चल
रहे
गया.
हैं.
तो हमें एक मारेगा
Exactly,
बाहर.
and we don't really want to see Shardul to be bowling in Australia. Like,
Oh
let's
God,
be honest,
नहीं
all
यार,
of us.
God, no.
See, no disrespect to
Thakur,
him,
no.
but we have better bowling options than him compared. So, if you think of it, like I was thinking, India can go forward with 3 spinners, like Kuldeep,
मैं वही सोच
Kuldeep,
रहा था.
Chahal, and Jadeja.
कुलचा
because
और जडेजा.
If you
और
think of
दो
it,
फालतू.
those 3 are different kind of spinners. ठीक है कि the ball will turn in the same direction for Chahal and Jadeja, but very different kind of bowlers they are. And then having
Finger
Bumrah
and
and
wrist,
Shami, having Bumrah and Shami at the end.
I think it is vital that you have Pandya bowling for that. I don't
See,
think you can
see,
go
it was
two
vital for
fast
the
bowling
it was
options.
vital it was vital for the team to have Vijay Shankar bowl, but it never helped India in the World Cup, right? He took a wicket on the first ball, and that was it. That's the
That was
contribution Vijay
that was
Shankar
his
had
World
throughout the
Cup.
World
Wicket
Cup.
on the first ball. Oh my god.
That seems to be a curse. ना उसके बाद जिंदगी खराब हो जाती है.
Yeah, I guess one of the bowlers got injured, and Vijay Shankar replaced him and got
Against Pakistan.
yeah, exactly, and got the wicket on the first ball.
Shoaib Malik.
So yeah, so if you think of it, हाँ ठीक है, तो पांड्या का अगर bowling कराए, but ठीक है, India is known for how they gamble with their team, and they need players who can settle in and play. So if you think of it, हो सकता है, नहीं तो anyway, but see, because personal prediction, I think Australia will win the series. And so anyway, however they
बताओ मतलब हर एक चीज ये ऑलरेडी हारा हुआ खिलाड़ी था हमारा ये.
can't you see what I'm wearing right now?
Exactly. And I waited so long to talk.
He's a
Hard to
corpse
wait.
saying his
Dude,
final goodbyes.
Dude, Kushagra, you should realize from the last time that we had Atul, he was supposed to be the last person to go. You didn't realize it. It was your problem.
Holy cow.
Okay, yeah. No, I have a couple of gripes with the Mumbai Indians setup. What is this with Mumbai Indians taking India players and bloody fucking them up and sending them back to India? What is this? Like Hardik Pandya, God knows what his back issues are. 2.5 साल हो गया भाई back issues का. मतलब seriously, bro, he broke down in late 2018. Since then, he's been broken only.
Yeah.
Like what happened? And you know, you talk about Rohit Sharma, so much discrepancy. Is he fit? Is he unfit? Who did he tell? Who robbed his bag? Who told his parents to fuck off or something like that? Why is he angry? Why is there so much politicking going around in the Indian cricketing setup, Pratmesh?
I think talking about politics in Indian cricket, there are better people to answer that. I'm not sure I'm the guy who's supposed to. Neither do I want to get into it.
Look at those
But
eyes.
Look at Anurag's eyes, right? But talking about Rohit, I feel that the only person who can answer that and who has already answered that is Rohit Sharma.
Yeah, क्या
So-
ridiculous. मतलब, I find that as such a. Well, okay, just sorry to cut you off. There is a famous line amongst journalists right now that BCCI clearly doesn't inform them of any kind of medical updates or any kind of fixtural changes or any kind of sponsorship updates unless it comes in a official press. And they say you do not need to know. I don't understand this. Every other team sport, every other, and I'm saying literally every other team sport, there is transparency between selection, rejection, injury status. I will just take it to hockey and football. You get injured, there is a preliminary analysis, then either you have a surgery, rehab, whatever. There is a timeline fitted to every injury and every injury is explained. Indian cricket, and I'm not even talking about other cricket because other boards you hear of the injuries and the recovery period. Indian cricket, you never understand. You don't know whether the problem is with the ankle, heel, toe, metatarsal, shin, thigh, nose, ear, lip, tongue. What is the issue? We don't.
Yeah, just before Prathamesh starts his point, one of the worst things that I felt about this entire IPL was the day BCCI announced Rohit Sharma is injured, Mumbai Indians puts a post that he's batting and fit. That's not even funny. That's ridiculous. I mean, I don't know whom to blame. I don't know if I should be
So
blaming
petty.
BCCI.
मुझे तो petty लगा.
Stupid and petty.
I felt there was some politics going between BCCI and Mumbai Indians in a way where it
Obviously,
was
Ambani is going to win. Why are they even trying?
But then who won? I can't remember. Oh, again, Mumbai Indians. Anyway, so if you think of it, like when you saw Rohit play after the injury, he wasn't fully fit. Like his movement wasn't. See, like
I think-
Ashwin was
yeah.
hobbling. Even Rohit was.
I think
That-
the only reason Rohit played, which he said in that whatever not so satisfying press conference or that press release, was that he said that he felt comfortable to play the series, the IPL himself, and he wanted to do that. I think what he felt was in the longer version, probably a 50 over, he won't be able to go, but he felt that he couldn't afford that rest. He damaged his playing fitness as well. Anyway, as you saw, the CSK game when he came, the first game, it looked like he was a different human being altogether. And probably saw he reached the final, there was a little toning of his body somewhere down the line. So I felt that a little. He scored in the final, man.
5 runs.
Sure,
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
So that was the case that happened with Rohit. The injury thing, I feel, you know, ये तब होता है ना जब तुम अपने like जैसे बोलते हैं ना कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अपने कस्टमर्स को जब ग्रांटेड लेता है तभी चीजें होती है. वैसे बीसीसीआई ने मुझे लगता है फैंस को ग्रांटेड लेके रखा है कि what's happening, they are anyway going to follow us. Even if we hold a match in Dharamshala one day, they're going to go there. If we hold in Kashmir, they're going to go there. If we hold in Assam, they're going to go there. If we hold a match even in Antarctica someday, they're going to reach there. So ये तो होने ही वाला है. So that's the thing, right? There is this little Indian fans
Captive
being taken
market
for
and
granted. Yeah, it's an easy market now for BCCI. Yes, they have worked extremely hard to get there, to be honest. You know, all credits to them, but that's what the situation is right now. Coming to the Indian team, you know, I heard all these guys talking and I wanted to put my word myself about Hardik. You were talking about Hardik, right? Should India play him as a pure batsman? I feel he's the best finisher there is in the squad. And
I think he's the best six hitter also. And आपको चाहिए he's the best explosive batsman. There is no doubt. I mean,
there is an argument.
You can keep waving a finger, Atul.
There is an argument for Jadeja. Yeah, there might be an
But the
argument
point
for
Atul
Jadeja,
made was also fine.
But
Yeah.
I feel he's a
that is
natural six hitter. He's a natural six hitter.
I think that is the thing. अगर आपको पांड्या 5 ओवर भी दे देना, I think that is perfect. Then you can play Pandya 7, Jadeja 8.
तो
And that's
आपको
a beautiful
शुभमन
batting
गिल
lineup.
आपको शुभमन गिल 5 नंबर 6 नंबर पे क्यों खिलाना है? That's my question.
But the thing being, if Pandya gives you 5 overs, who's going to bowl the other 5? 8, 9,
भाई,
10, 11, like
मेरा
that's
तो point
45
ये है-
overs only.
मेरा तो पॉइंट ये है कि धवन और राहुल
अच्छा बोल
So,
बोल
opening
कर
yes, Manish come at 3-4-5. Let Virat Shreyas Manish come at 3-4-5. I feel Manish Pandey does
Manish
bat very
Pandey
well in
exists.
Australia as well. Manish Pandey exists. And you know, जब इतने तुम players को chances दे ही रहे हो, तो why not give Manish Pandey, who has done it for India before? Yeah, at least he deserves that chance in some way or the other. So let Manish Pandey come at 5. Anyway, Shubman Gill at 5, I don't think a lot of people are happy at all. So nor is Shubman Gill going to open the batting for India. Mayank Agarwal opening the batting for me doesn't make sense, for the only reason being that in long term, I don't see, at least in a 23 World Cup, Mayank Agarwal actually coming and opening the batting. I don't see Mayank doing that. I see either Dhawan, or if Dhawan's injured, then KL. Or if the other part is injured, Rohit Sharma, then it revolving around these three people. And Virat is your fixed number 3 batsman. So why not try Manish Pandey at 5? Keep him there at 5. Give him those chances that he needs. And
See,
then why not go with Hardik? Why not go with
But
Hardik and Jadeja
Hardik
both?
Pandya, I'm really sorry to interrupt, but Hardik Pandya isn't a number 6 batsman. Hardik Pandya isn't a number 6 batsman. If you collapse, then he can't give you the sustainability that the team needs.
यार
the only
मतलब
issue.
अरे
अगर तुम यार-
आप you're already a diminished bowler.
Yeah.
आप already आपका मतलब role in the team is not more to do with an all-rounder. I think you have to play Hardik Pandya. I don't see. मुझे alternative बताना तू मतलब because चलो number 6 पे
शुभमन गिल 6 नंबर पे doesn't make sense.
and
dude.
अतुल
And if
6
you are
नंबर
expecting-
अच्छा second हाँ exactly that
you are
exactly
ex-
Prathamesh point. 6 नंबर का बैट्समैन आपका टीम इनिंग सेटअप
expecting,
कर
if
रहा
you're
है.
expecting a 5 batsman to go down,
See,
ये
the
negative
thing-
हो गया ना
batsman to
पहले
go
ही.
the thing
down
being-
in a
the thing
game,
being-
then that's very negative, right?
See, India has been
look-
playing Kedar Jadhav at number 6 for a very long time. He wasn't a number 6 batsman either. So, ठीक है. Some of them will need to adapt.
So we need to,
We are getting
need to,
views.
we need to
Yes.
learn, right? We need to learn from our mistakes, right? People talk about Mumbai Indians left, right, and center. People talk about Mumbai Indians left, right, and center. But one thing that people forget is the tactics that Mumbai employed in the IPL. You know,
Yeah.
they trusted on all the 5-6 batsmen that were there, and they kept hitting every match. You need to show that confidence in your top 5 batsmen. That guys will trust you to hold the innings for 35 overs,
Bro,
40 overs, and then for
But
Jadeja and
if you
Hardik,
if you
go and
think of
hit
it, see, hitting in a T20 match and hitting in a 50 over match is really different.
so you
really,
are
really
telling me-
different. Like
so
you
you
can
are
start
telling me
hitting
that-
from the first ball.
So you are telling
you
me
can
that
start hitting
KL,
from the
Dhawan,
first ball.
Virat, Shreyas and Manish cannot
भाई
hold
भाई
the foot for
point
40
भी तो
overs.
वही है. I'll come to
See-
Akshay with this. I'll
See,
come to
if they could have had, India would have won that
Later.
semi-final and maybe the World Cup final as well.
ये पर्सनल बात कर रहे
Why, but Shubman Gill at number 6 over Hardik Pandya. does
I'm
that
not
even
saying
make sense?
play him at number 6, play him at number 5. That's the best
अरे
you
तो
can do.
तुम
Either
तो
way,
फिर तुम श्रेयस अय्यर को नीचे क्यों लगा रहे हो?
See.
मनीष
One
पांडे
thing.
को नीचे क्यों लगा
I think you both are too left and right on this. What Atul is saying is Hardik Pandya, if in a position to bowl, better not experiment him in a position where, just in case there is a chance of a collapse, which there is a very good chance of a collapse. In that sense, you need a more stable batsman. Shubman Gill, I know he's a
Understood.
top order batsman, but he is still is a very
See, and-
stable.
and
Yeah,
if
but you tell me,
Anurag, if you're
Anurag,
talking about
Yeah.
experimenting, right? And if you
Mhm.
don't want to play Mayank, okay, Mayank is a very good option for the team. And if you don't want to, like, why not open with Shikhar and Shubman? Give 3 to
Yeah.
Kohli, 4 to KL, 5 to Shreyas, 6 to Manish Pandey. Then
तो
you
फिर तुम
can go.
मयंक को क्यों बिठा रहे हो? Does Shubman Gill deserve a chance or Mayank Agarwal? No
Why
way.
not?
No.
No way.
Why not?
No way,
No.
no way, no way.
No way. No way.
मैं तो
He starts over Mayank Agarwal.
एक
मैं तो
KKR
तुम लोगों
कोटा
से
चल रहा है।
तुमने नहीं मैं
Hey,
मैं
it's
तो
This
तुम
not
is
लोगों
about
not even
KKR
made,
quota.
made it to the squad.
Just kidding.
Shubman
Yeah,
Gill
sorry.
doesn't even deserve a chance over Surya Kumar right now. I'd not even touch that topic.
See, the
अरे
thing is that
यार,
Surya Kumar getting a chance or not is something that
We are
BCCI
getting-
will answer to you.
They are getting views on this. I'm loving this.
But the thing being, why I think Shubman deserves a chance is because the last time he played, he didn't
Yeah, because the flair
get as
player.
much chance
हाँ नहीं मैं
as he should have.
बिल्कुल
And
डिनाई
then
नहीं कर रहा है इस
they
बात
threw
को.
him out of the team again.
Someone
हाँ.
let Akshay talk.
हाँ मैं
I can't
अब
see him like that.
अब
Why waiting
I'll
for a
co-
long time, dude?
Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay.
Look at him. Look at him. He's already sick.
See, the thing being, saying Shubman getting a KKR quota
Arey,
from
bhai,
me, and not saying
Ashok-
that Surya Kumar Yadav not getting a Mumbai Indians quota from
No,
Prathamesh is really.
That's a trailer.
Yeah, exactly.
फिनिशिंग ना तो सेकंड इनिंग्स में अगर लास्ट 5 ओवर में तेरे को कितना 60-70 चाहिए तो यू विल नीड समवन लाइक हार्दिक पांड्या तो
और यार,
उसके अलावा आई
तीन में
डोंट सी एनी अदर
इनमें से तो एक मैच फेल होगा ना तेरे.
See, one thing. In finishing role in
Team के
ODIs
teammates
and
तो fail नहीं
T20s is
होंगे.
slightly different. Just a
And
small
yeah,
those
point.
two matches
You might be
win,
able to play 10
एक बंदा
15
one
overs.
person
Yeah. In ODIs, what we are talking about finishing, especially there is a good chance any team, even the best of teams, could lose their 3 or 4 wickets before the 33, 34, 35th over. That's when a batsman like Hardik Pandya has to play 15 overs, not 5 overs like he does in a T20.
Yeah.
That is different. Hardik Pandya's capabilities are undoubtedly magnificent, but it
Bro,
does.
Anurag,
he
don't you
can
think
play 15 overs.
Hardik
He can
Pandya
play
coming
15
in at the
overs.
30th over, I don't see a problem with
Problem,
that.
yeah.
यार. I don't see a problem with that. I find it okay.
Champions Trophy final देखा नहीं
And
था.
no. I'm
Arey,
not even
yeah.
talking about anything as such. I'm talking
I'm
about
central,
my problem is he fit enough to bowl because he was
Yeah.
bowling for Mumbai Indians. If
No, he
he's been
wasn't.
नहीं बट
if he
दूसरा ऑप्शन भी
Next week he was.
नॉट अ
He was bowling in the nets. He was bowling in the nets.
bowling.
Was he bowling in the nets?
He was bowling in the nets. The only
Akshay,
reason he
Akshay.
did not bowl in the game was Mumbai. Like
Because of-
Hardik Pandya himself decided he wanted to be fit for the Indians.
That's better actually.
Didn't-
That's good.
he was bowling in the net, but not for the team. Lastly, just so for our viewers, I think this is the case. Hardik Pandya has a remodeled bowling action because of his stress fracture in the back. His bowling action, I think, which was a little open-chested, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
It was a little open-chested, semi-open-chested, and I think he's gone. He made it, I think, completely open-chested from the.
You know,
Please don't
you
add
know-
me for the specifics.
You
I
know,
also
but
want to go for-
Kushagra, as you mentioned, having Pandya at the 30th over is a good idea. You know what I was thinking of? Why not shift the number 7 Jadeja at number 6 if a collapse happens, and get
हाँ,
Pandya
I
at
think
number 7?
Yeah,
Yeah,
because I
That's
think
something that India can
Jadeja
try.
is other responsible रहेगा
Hmm.
उस sense में.
Yeah.
Agreed?
Makes sense.
Agreed. And
Yeah,
you don't
Jadeja
have,
is
but
as
you don't
good a
have many
lower
left
order
hand-
batsman as he's a bowler.
yeah, and you don't have. I'll come back to Akshay now. I think it's
हाँ.
enough time. हमने बेचारे को बोलने नहीं दिया.
yeah.
Akshay,
नहीं
Akshay,
चलता है भाई बोलने दो भाई
Akshay,
इतना बोल रहा है कवर अप कर लेंगे ये लोग
हाँ.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है
So move on करने के लिए, because from enough of our
Yeah.
batting, let's have a look at the opposition squad. For all of you, I will just read out the squad, the Australian squad, and maybe you guys can help see some major players. If you can point out some players that we should really look out for. Aaron Finch as the captain, Pat Cummins the vice captain, Sean Abbott, Ashton Agar, Alex Carey, Cameron Green, Josh Hazelwood, Moises Henriquez, he's still playing, I'm surprised. Manus Labuschagne, Glenn Maxwell, Daniel Sams, Stephen Smith, Mitchell Stark, Marcus Stoinis, Andrew Tye, Matthew Wade, David Warner, Adam Zampa, and Kane Richardson has withdrawn. So yeah, so this is their team, and Akshay, we can talk about their batting.
Just one thing. Just one thing. I'm really sorry. You can start talking to Akshay, but you're surprised that Henriquez is playing, but you're not surprised that Maxwell is in the team.
No, I'm not surprised because
Oh,
do you not remember how Maxwell
another
played
small
against
point.
England?
Yeah, another small
Let
point about
everyone add
Maxwell.
small
I
point
think
before Akshay.
Virender Sehwag comment the 15 crore cheerleader, 11 crore cheerleader, that is totally
Yeah.
uncalled for. अभी वो
Yeah.
गुस्सा अगर इंडिया पे निकालेगा, I think Sehwag is totally done.
Sehwag should not do that.
यार देखो
Yeah.
देखो क्या होता है ना.
इसको
नहीं नहीं.
yeah, totally
I
fine.
don't think इतना बड़ा.
You read Daniel Sam,
Yeah,
right?
obviously not. I'm just
यार देखो अपने पैसे तो उसने पिछले 7 साल से जस्टिफाई किए नहीं आईपीएल में.
totally yeah.
मतलब वो तो कोई बात ही नहीं है. अक्षय, कमिंग बैक टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया, मैंने स्पॉट तो पढ़ के बताया. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन द बैटिंग लाइनअप? आई थिंक वी फोकस्ड ऑन द इंडियन बैटिंग, ऑस्ट्रेलियन bowling, sort of an Indian bowling. We'll come to that later. But if I name you my first 6 or 7 from this for Australia, it would definitely be Finch and Warner. Probably Labuschagne at number 3, Smith at number 4. You have maybe Maxwell coming at number 5, Alex Carey at number 6, and a Stoinis at number 7, maybe.
So you would probably not go with Wade.
I don't think you will go with Wade. I think
It's either Carey or Wade, right?
I think I would go with Carey. I think Carey अच्छा खेल रहा है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए तो बहुत अच्छा खेला है.
Yeah.
अक्षय.
यार मुझे ना वो डेविड वार्नर से बहुत डर लगता है. मतलब वो एक बार चालू करता है ना बैटिंग अपनी, अगर इफ ही मतलब उसको पहले 10 ओवर मिल जाए ना, इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू रोहित शर्मा. इफ रोहित शर्मा गेट्स थ्रू दैट फर्स्ट 10 ओवर्स, देन पता है हमें क्या करता है. तो इट्स वेरी सिमिलर टू डेविड वार्नर. डेविड वार्नर अगर सेट हो गया तो ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट. मतलब ऑलरेडी ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑब्वियसली, बट मतलब जो पेस करता
प्लस
है
ऑस्ट्रेलियन कंडीशन तो भैया
plus,
उसका
yeah.
रिकॉर्ड ही अनरियल है वहाँ पे.
मतलब उसके वीडियोस और ये देख के तुम ये हो जाते हो, बट भाई ही इज डेंजरस बैट्समैन. ही इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट डेंजरस बैट्समैन इन द वर्ल्ड. मतलब जैसे बैटिंग करता है एकदम खतरनाक है यार. और एरन फिंच भी अगर फॉर्म में आ गया तो देख के लेंगे.
Which will happen considering our bad luck.
He just chews his gum and smashes bowlers everywhere.
हाँ तो वही. तो उसका पता नहीं, बट बुमराह है तो ले सकता है यार. बुमराह का है उसके अगेंस्ट थोड़ा अच्छा रिकॉर्ड. तो एरन फिंच का इतना इश्यू नहीं है. डेविड वार्नर ऑब्वियसली, और स्टीव स्मिथ तो है ही भाई. स्टीव स्मिथ है, उसका भी है भाई खतरनाक.
Kushagra doesn't like his aesthetics, but anyway.
No, I don't think इतना India इतना worried होगी Steve Smith से in white ball. I think
White
there are
ball.
more there are other batsmen जिनसे ज़्यादा.
Bro, he'll
नहीं, उनका
shifting
इशू भी
towards the
वही है ना.
off-stump.
उनका इशू मतलब अपने अपने वो इशू है कि नहीं पता नहीं, बट फिनिशिंग का उनका भी इशू है. आई डोंट थिंक दे हैव गॉट अ प्रॉपर फिनिशर. मतलब स्टोइनिस की
in
बातें
form,
करते हैं,
yeah.
बट ही हैजंट
think that's true,
परफॉर्म
that's true.
कंसिस्टेंटली.
I think Stoinis हो गया, Enriquez हो गया
हाँ.
लास्ट में जो मैं देख सकता हूँ. एस्टन एगार थोड़े रन्स मार सकता है, वो देख सकता हूँ.
नहीं, बट
बाकी
वही
तो
कंसिस्टेंटली उनके लिए फिनिश कोई नहीं कर रहा है. तो
हाँ.
वो इशू रहा है उनके लिए कि मार्कस स्टोइनिस पता नहीं करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. एक दिन चला तो खेल लेगा, तो मैक्सवेल का भी पता नहीं रहता है कब खेलेगा कब फुटेगा. वो फुटता है तो पता है हमें कैसा फुटता है, बट फुट नहीं रहा है. तो उनका भी कंसिस्टेंसी का इशू है. बट वही यार, फिनिशिंग का वो प्रॉब्लम है. तो उधर एक्सप्लॉइट कर सकती है इंडिया. वो देखेंगे अभी क्या होता है.
You know, Maxwell is like those crackers we bought in the previous Diwali, which we're trying to use now.
Yeah.
And why is yeah. My goodness.
yeah.
And we talked
But-
about all these explosive batsmen. We did not talk about Manas Labuschagne, who could do
नहीं भाई,
almost anything with the cricket bat.
I'm coming to Anurag with this.
Yeah.
Anurag, you know, there are a couple of batsmen I probably sort of purposely left out. Of course, one of them is Manas Labuschagne, as Pratnesh spoke about. Another youngster that I see is Cameron
Green, yeah.
And
Yeah.
we've spoken a lot about him in the past few weeks, or maybe past few months, I would think. He's
चैपल भी
been
बोल चुका है कुछ अभी. ग्रेग
हाँ.
चैपल बोला is
Yeah.
the best thing we have had since pointing. तो
हाँ, मतलब that's high
That's a
praise.
big thing. That's high praise.
It's a
बहुत बड़ी
huge
बात है
thing.
ये.
That's huge
Yeah.
pressure, though.
But and वो him, Will Pukowski, I know we'll not talk about Will Pukowski right now, probably when the test
Test
squads are
squad, yeah.
discussed.
Yeah.
But what about these two players especially, and amongst the batsmen, who do you see beyond Warner and Finch and Smith? Who do you see could be the problem areas for India?
Out of syllabus.
You know, yeah, exactly. I think we Indians, You remember Sachin Tendulkar had this tendency of playing against the best of bowlers with such ease, and he always mentioned the toughest bowler that he faced was Hansi Cronje.
Hansi
Like
Cronje, yeah.
the most out of syllabus thing, and that sort of rubbed off on the entire Indian team over the last 2 decades. If you notice, like we've given life to so many people who've played against us, but outside after their so-called great performances against us, they've done nothing. Like we all felt
Jason
Moeen Ali.
Krejza.
We went an entire series expecting Moeen Ali will turn the ball. Batsman went for the turn. It never turned, and he got so many wickets.
And he still got wickets.
And he still got wickets.
When we didn't expect the turn, got wickets. Then we did expect the turn, still lost wickets.
It was an illusion of an illusion, bro. Like that. बात ही क्या करे? Yeah, and that is what scares me when I'm, before every big series that we go, I think that these are the names that I look at. There is Cameron Green, and we'll talk at length about Will Pakowski because I think he's even more dangerous as a batsman. His first class record is absolutely impeccable. But Cameron Green, and so everyone knows, you look at his ESPN profile, you look at his Crickbuzz profile or any other profile, it's written he's a bowling all-rounder. Yes, he started off as a bowler. He is
But I
early
think he's
days.
more
He
of a
was
batsman.
he's more of that Steve Smith sort of a revelation, and his form has been exemplary. And I've seen some of his videos, technically so beautiful to watch. And you
The
totally
tall right-hander, right?
yeah, tall right-hander. He has such a classy. You get a little bit of the Kevin Peterson essence when you look at him bat. It's very, very good to watch, and I hope my fears don't come true, but I'm really expecting big things from this guy because we Indians, we are very prone to getting caught off guard with new talents like this. I hope that doesn't happen. And also Moises Henriquez is always, I think I felt maybe he didn't get as many chances as he should have in the Australian setup. Is this the right time? I'm not sure, but I think if he comes in, he's still a very explosive cricketer and he can bowl those slower deliveries. He's very, very good. Much better bowler than Marcus Stoinis is. So he's also one player to watch out for.
Right, Atul. When you talk about youngsters scoring loads of runs and bags of runs, you've got that both sides in that sense. You've got players who are sort of breaking into this Australian team, and players like Green, and we'll discuss later Bukowski. But then on the counter side in India, you see we've not spoken about Shubman Gill as much, and I know we've had that discussion of him playing at number 6, which I feel is sort of an insult to his talent in the sense that if you're doing that to him. But when you talk about consistency, runs, and past records, isn't it a bit unfair that someone like Manish Pandey still struggles to hold on to a spot in the Indian team?
See, the same happened with Manoj Tiwari, and we used to talk about Manoj Tiwari. Whenever Manoj Tiwari played, he played really well, but he never
His
got the
last
permanent.
innings for India was a century.
Yeah, and then you get thrown out of the team, so you think, what did I do wrong? Similar with Manish Pandey, he has been consistently
Manish Pandey,
performing.
best traveler, right?
Yeah, so he has been there with the team. Like if you think
5 साल से.
Manish Pandey could have been in the squad instead of Dinesh Karthik playing that 2019 World Cup. Yeah.
By 2019 का number 4 भी हो सकता था वो.
Yeah. So if
दिनेश कार्तिक घुसा ही दिया ना अतुल तूने
No, like see, that's the biggest conundrum with BCCI and the team selection is like you have reputed players playing at those positions, but you'll still go for the extraordinary, try to do something different, and it backfires. That's one of the problems that the team faces. But yes, see, Manish Pandey is one of the best India has at that position at this point of time.
I
Shubman,
agree with Atul this time.
Yeah, bro, we're totally doing a Pep Guardiola right now.
so that's the thing. Like if you experiment so much, like playing someone that low down the other, like I wanted Shubman just because stability चाहिए नीचे. But anyway, you said it right. It's an insult to his talent if you play him that low.
And because अब वो judge होगा फिर उस पे, he will come.
Yeah,
I can just
that's a
picture
bigger
it.
concern.
I
That's a
can
bigger
just
concern.
picture it. He comes, it's not his game. He goes for the ball, makes up 15 and 22 balls, and then सब कहते हैं क्या waste of time रे, run भी नहीं बनाया, कुछ किया भी नहीं, and then maybe plays the next match, maybe gets dropped depending on the result.
Yeah. So the thing that we need to do is again, and the hammer will fall down on KL Rahul again. If we'll have to
Yeah,
have
man, that totally.
we'll have to have a proper batting order. So Mayank will open with Dhawan, and we'll get KL down the order at number 4.
Oh,
So
that
that
sucks.
gives the idea of having Shreyas at 5 and having Pandey at 6. That's
Yeah.
something that India
थोड़ा
will.
mental stability देगा.
Yeah, exactly. So Pandey is one of the
Makes
best
sense.
bet that we have at number 6 right now. Like Pandey can play slowly if there's a
He
need,
can
and he can
aggress.
accelerate.
Yep.
So that's something. And if you think of Shubman Gill, and if you think, okay, Mayank didn't perform, but 3 matches is too less to say that Mayank didn't perform.
हाँ यार.
Okay.
Okay.
So that it will be like if he doesn't perform in the first game, you can't straight away get in Shubman Gill and say, okay, we'll try. So that's again experimenting, which we
Yeah.
don't want to see.
तीनों में एक ही पार्टनरशिप खोल लीजिए.
वो भी हो सकता है, जैसे होते आ रहा है सब कुछ चीजें.
Or
Last-
भी हो
if
सकता है.
And
if
he
again,
faces Mitchell Stark, who is perhaps one of the greatest white ball bowlers of this last
yeah,
decade.
if he
last two
can
decades.
he can get
My God.
Ben Stokes like that on a Yorker, so anyway he can get anyone on any day. Like so, James will still have nightmares about that ball of the century contender. So if you think of it, India will have to decide who they want to go with at number 5 and 6. And see, Shubman again. Okay, I mentioned it because I wanted stability, but being a batsman like Manish Pandey, you need him at number 6, and someone like Iyer can do a number 5. Having KL at 4. See, personally, I didn't want KL at 4. That's why I put
KL at 4
Shubman
would
there.
be again insulting, right?
Yeah, but we have seen him play at that.
Like
At
the
that.
batsman
Yeah,
deserves
But
to be at
I
number
think
1 or
he's
2.
still a better bet at number 4 than most people.
Yeah,
Maybe Shreyas
exactly.
Iyer, but
See,
I think I'd
Iyer,
rather have Rahul there.
yeah. So having Iyer up the
मतलब
order
यहाँ पे.
again gets that void at number 5 and 6. And if we get Pandey at 5, who at 6? So that's a dilemma there. And
It's just चल रहा है अभी
youngsters का
पूरा.
बात है कि उस साइड सी ऑस्ट्रेलिया के लिए तो आई थिंक देयर इज अ चांस कैमरन ग्रीन इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्लेयर्स आई सॉ द शील्ड मैचेस I watched Green play. I watched Henriquez play. Henriquez isn't young anyway. So if you think of it, Australia might not start Cameron Green. Australia have the liberty to go with just let me count on my fingers. Aaron Finch as the opener with David Warner. Third would
Yeah.
be Marnus Labuschagne. Fourth, Steve Smith.
Yeah.
And then what they can do is having Stoinis, Henriquez, and Carey in that order.
All three. Yeah.
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 Three.
And as Akshay mentioned,
You can even have Maxwell instead of Henriquez or Stoinis.
yeah, that they have a choice with that.
So,
And
yeah.
if you,
So is this a emotional decision for Australia to not have stability in the middle order, but India to
no,
have?
no, the thing is ki they'll have stability. The reason being Indian bowlers don't bat. Ashton Agar bats.
वही
Sean
problem है
Abbott
अपना.
bats. Pat Cummins bats. Mitchell Stark bats.
वही तो
And-
problem है. यार, we don't have these. मतलब this is my final point on this before I ask you guys to make your 11s. And this is an open forum question, so anyone can pick it up. मतलब I miss those days जब गांगुली या धोनी अपना bowling options देखता 8 बंदा है जो मतलब can roll their arm, get a couple of overs, this and that. यहाँ सहवाग से 3 ओवर निकाल लिए, रैना से 2 ओवर निकाल लिए, वहाँ युवराज ने आके 2 ओवर डाल दिए. If nothing else, गांगुली खुद ही अपनी medium paces डाल रहा है. Robin Singh है आपके पास, something like that. So I know I'm going very far back. This is like 20 years back. A lot of our viewers won't have ever seen
Tendulkar
that.
used to bowl, bro.
Oh, dude,
Tendulkar
and Tendulkar showed fantastically on his day.
Tendulkar was a clutch bowler. He wasn't just used to bowl. He was a clutch bowler. He up until the last 3-4 years of his career. Before that, he was a clutch bowler. According to me, 2008, 2009.
He bowled in the final also, 2011 final.
Yeah, I mean, he's progressively started bowling less, but I
Yeah.
would say till up to mid 2000s, he was a real clutch bowler for India. And so you don't have, and this is for all of you.
Yeah.
What is the issue? Like, are young cricketers now just focusing on कि मुझे इस task में best होना है? तो मतलब मैं focus ही नहीं करूँगा. रोहित शर्मा, I think उसका कुछ injury issues, कुछ shoulder issues
Back
है.
again.
Yeah.
Back
Back
issue.
issue
That's
है.
why he doesn't bowl.
That's why it
Back
doesn't. But
issues.
आया तो leg spinner ही था ना, right? And
Off spinner.
off
Off
spinner,
off
yeah.
spinner. Off spinner आया था. Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
off spinner.
Off spinner. Either way.
That's
came
Rahul
in-
Sharma. Kishag, that's Rahul Sharma the leg.
चलो राहुल शर्मा की जितनी कम बातें करें बेहतर है. रोहित शर्मा came in as a spinner, and this is again open to all of you.
Yeah.
Why is it that we don't see sort of dual purpose cricketers at least to an acceptable level, like JP Dumini type ही हो जाए यार.
हाँ,
Just to give an option to the player.
Yeah,
right.
4 ओवर का ही option.
You
Kushal,
talked about a Maharashtrian guy and a Mumbai guy, 2 Mumbai guys. So let me start first.
Yeah, sure.
केदार जाधव की बात की थी ना, जैसे कुशाग्र तूने, मेरे को कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता था genuinely that धोनी or even Virat for that matter they picked Kedar Jadhav to bowl that delivery.
Sidearm.
You know,
For
that
the pitch,
sidearm
yeah.
delivery.
Yeah.
Or, you know, to be honest, Kedar Jadhav worked charms for us with the ball.
For a year
But
or for a
when
year.
Manas Labuschagne
Like,
picked it, that
yeah.
you have to step one step further and then hit him
Huh.
out of the park every ball. You didn't do that with him. That
तो
was
वही
when
है.
the problem
Cricketing
started.
intelligence.
Exactly. And you know, Rohit Sharma ki baat ki, where you said that, you know, he used to bowl, he stopped bowling, and now that youngsters are more reliant on mastering one skill, not even trying the other skill out. I feel somewhere down the line it's a cultural issue as well with Indian cricket, where agar, like when I used to play cricket in my school, there were many a times when, you know, even though I used to be a middle order batsman, I used to like to bowl medium pace. But sometimes my coach used to say, "You don't bowl, you just bat, you just bat, you just bat." And somewhere down the line, ना ये जो एक नए generation के जो players जो अभी आ रहे हैं, who are extremely focused on mastering one skill, because अभी तुम देखोगे Indian batting में घुसना कितना मुश्किल चीज है.
या
Indian
प्रथमेश
bowling
मेरा
में-
पॉइंट ही तो यही है, मेरा पॉइंट ही तो यही
हाँ.
है. अगर आप इस टाइप के प्लेयर हो जो कैप्टन को हाथ खड़ा के बोलते थे, कैप स्किपर, आई कैन गिव यू 4 overs 5 overs मे बी मोर ऑन अ गुड डे. ठीक है, आप मेरे को, यू कैन काउंट ऑन मी.
Kushagra, honestly, not even 4-5 overs, bro. We don't have anyone who plays
overs.
2-3 overs.
Ah,
अरे
You're
just to
talking way too
change
much.
up
That's a
bowler,
sad
just to
thing.
change
Yeah.
momentum.
Guys, if you think of it, just for the banter, the skipper himself can bowl 4.
Yeah.
मुझे लगा ही था
भाई,
Exactly.
Not even kidding, he can. If he works hard on it, he
But-
can.
नहीं bro,
But-
it's
but-
his back is even worse than Rohit Sharma's. His
It's not
fitness
about the
regime is
back,
the
it's-
reason.
It's about his bowling ability.
You remember Albie Mokal
He
every time
picked up,
Virat
he
comes
picked
on to
up
bowl.
Johnson Charles' wicket, if you remember.
Yeah, that bowling action, bro. God knows.
It's
what
how he does
happened.
that. Yeah.
Dude, oh my god.
And I
remember-
remember-
All of
I
us
remember
are Paul
Virat-
Adams.
I remember on Breakfast with Champions, Gaurav Kapoor asked him कि ये क्या
Yeah.
है?
Exactly. Yeah.
तो he literally asked him ये क्या है? तो कहता भैया ऐसे ही निकलती है, अब क्या करूं?
Bas-
होती है
यार
ऐसे.
निकलने दो.
Kind of.
यार at least सामने वाला batsman might die of laughter and give his wicket.
That's what happened in that semi-final versus West Indies, honestly.
Yeah.
Otherwise, West Indies were flawless that day.
But seriously, dude, I genuinely feel Virat can at least give 2 overs to Indian team. I mean, already भाई इतना
यार
बेचारा
मतलब
मेहनत करता है.
don't take my point, honest innocent point to bullshit, okay boys?
यार और कौन
विराट
है?
कोहली का नहीं बॉलिंग करा
और
रहा
कौन है?
नहीं,
See,
मैं
dude,
बोल रहा हूँ.
KL can't bowl.
अरे केएल तो आपका कीपर हो गया ना अब इस
See,
squad में.
if you want, the KL will bowl.
बनना है
See,
भाई.
साला
like
bowling भी कर ले.
Kohli is,
बनना है
yeah.
किसी को. अभी विकेट कीपर बैट्समैन बनना है सबको. एक जगह खाली हो गई तो सबको
हाँ.
उधर ही घुसना है.
See,
आपको वही-
just another point. You know, the way we look at the game. Abhi, a small footballing example. There was a time when goalkeepers, during a penalty shootout, if they're not saving a penalty, no one used to say anything to them. But now you look at it, they're expecting now. They're giving him a time zone. Now, abhi ye time pe tu penalties nahi save karega in a 5, 6, 7, 8 match run. Then they seriously start considering. Now you look at the Indian bowlers and their batting. It's so horrible. I mean, you know, once the Jadeja wicket goes at number 8, it's dead. The game, you can switch off the channel. The scorecard will be 2 runs more at best. We have to be lucky for those 2 runs to come in. It has to be a wide or a leg by, because we can't even.
The whole
Chahal-
pavilion celebrates when Bumrah hits a 6. That's the condition of the
Bro,
Oh my god.
see, my point is,
That's a good shot. That's a good shot.
I think it's high time. You know, someone has to take up the responsibility and tell all of this. You have to spend some time in the nets batting as well. If
अरे
not
you
anything,
can't be a
बस
walking
defend करो.
ducks, right?
बस, yeah, exactly. Just defend
Dude,
करना
Zahir
सीखो.
Khan.
Test
Zahir
matches
Khan used to
में.
bat so well. I remember Zahir Khan and Murli Karthik pulled out
भाई,
all
मुझे
matches in
तो-
Australia.
तू
Yeah,
वो बोल रहा है,
ODI.
तू वो बोल रहा है. मुझे याद है पाकिस्तान जाके लक्ष्मीपति बालाजी ने जो शो बैक करे छक्के मारे थे भाई.
भाई VRV Singh
Bhaji,
यार
Balaji-
Harbhajan, yeah, Asia Cup.
Haji, Balaji and Zahir all used to play the same.
Kumble has a test century for God's sake.
Bro, I remember the
Standards
point
have
when
dipped.
he
Okay, guys,
scored that
you guys are
100.
talking high standards. The standards have dipped. For God's sake, what I want is please someone teach them the basics of just defending. You are
So-
playing international cricket.
So
you,
we get
everyone,
Umesh Yadav back in
including-
the team.
Perhaps if that is the case, let it be. See, all of these cricketers at some point they must have scored hundreds also. Even Jasprit Bumrah at some
Jasprit
first class,
Bumrah.
they definitely might have done.
See,
I-
if you
I
think
don't
of
know.
it,
Maybe
think
not
of it-
Jassi, maybe not Jassi.
Maybe not Jassi. Come on. I know a lot of state
Jaspreet and
players in
Chahal, no,
Hyderabad who are
no
bowlers
India-
right now, but
India
they were
actually-
batsmen when I
अरे
was young.
चहल used to bat. मैंने ये कहीं तो
Exactly,
सुना है।
yeah. See, they should be knowing a little more than what they're
हाँ.
just doing it. It
India
can't be
actually
इतना
misses
भी मैं master
Bhuvneshwar
of one
Kumar
art
at
नहीं
this
होना
moment.
चाहिए.
India
Yeah.
misses
Yes,
Bhuvi at
Atul,
this moment.
एकदम अपना
Bhuvi,
अपने
someone
आप-
who can stay there and bat.
Yeah.
अरे यार, Bhuvi is
पड़ोसी
a
की बात कर
heartbreak
रही
for
है।
me, man. Again, another mistreated.
Dude,
Bhuvaneshwar,
you know-
Ravichandran Ashwin, the way these people have been
Yeah.
treated is
Yeah.
it's so heartbreaking, really.
That
Yeah.
भुवनेश्वर की इंजरी रिकॉर्ड भी भाई हिम एंड
Yeah.
ऋद्धिमान साहा को तो मतलब भगवान
मेरा-
बोलते रहता है।
As
Favorite
Anurag
cricket.
mentioned, ill treatment. Like, see what happened to Irfan Pathan. What they did to
Mm.
Praveen Kumar. They all used to bat. They were proper batters.
Yeah.
Praveen Kumar opened for UP. Bhuvi has opened for UP. But
Irfan Pathan should open for India.
yeah, so see, there's a difference. That was experiment. They didn't open consistently.
इरफान पठान को तो मुझे लगता है कि हमने फिटनेस उसकी अच्छे से क्या बोलते हैं we didn't
Never
follow
taken care of
और-
it properly.
and then just because हमें कपिल देव बनाना था तो हमने बंदे के जो genuine talent था वो भी बर्बाद कर
उसी
दिया.
को
He used to be
बर्बाद
able
कर
to
दिया.
swing the ball
Yes,
both ways
yeah.
at 145. हमने मार डाले वो swing और speed.
यार तुझे याद है अनुराग, आई थिंक तू तो स्टेडियम में भी था उस मैच के लिए लास्ट ईयर जब वो लेजेंड्स का मैच हुआ था. पठान सिंगल हैंडेडली पुल्ड आउट वन
Against Sri
गेम
Lanka, yes.
अगेंस्ट श्रीलंका.
And we had the best seat in the house. Yeah,
So like
my word.
that is still the battering that was there in the guy, and now you look. I look at Chahal, Bumrah.
It's purely
शमी
pathetic.
तो ठीक है, चलो एक हाथ सिक्स मार भी ले तो भी ठीक है.
No,
Like,
not even
Saini,
Shami. To be,
Bumrah, Chahal
let's
से
be
मैं-
honest,
I
not
don't
even
expect
Shami.
10 runs.
He hits a 6 out of every 30 times he swings it.
हाँ.
What's the freaking
Wow.
ratio that is?
ऐसा-
Every
Like-
there is no one gets a leeway here. Everyone is a freaking shit when it comes to batting,
To
and
be honest,
that's unacceptable to a certain
to
extent.
be honest, even our bowlers,
the
right?
same goes for
We can't expect-
batsmen
yeah.
also. Na? Have the same.
We can't
have the
take
same
one wicket.
energy.
Precisely, yeah. I
Have the
think,
same
yeah,
energy for the batsmen also. How the hell
yeah.
will he not-
I'm just mentioning the
will he
other
not
point of the
bowl at
spectrum.
all?
But yeah,
What
नहीं
is-
नहीं उनको विकेट कीपिंग करवा लो सबको सब कर लेंगे विकेट कीपिंग हाँ ग्लोव्स दे दो हमको बॉलिंग नहीं करनी है
You can't imagine how many. This is the reality of the situation, right? धोनी को रिप्लेस करने के लिए पब्लिक ने इतना कीपिंग बैट्समैन को प्रेफरेंस दिया है कि we have stopped.
नहीं बट
Having
बैट्समैन ने
batsman
भी
can bowl.
उतना एफर्ट डाला विकेट
हाँ।
कीपिंग कर रहे हुए बैट्समैन लोग भी कर रहे हैं कीपिंग करनी है हमें इंडिया के लिए
That's the thing, right? We haven't really focused on a batting all-rounder. कोई नहीं है. We have nobody in the squad as a batting all-rounder. God, I
Yeah,
mean, Rohit Sharma is the best case option of someone who can actually bowl, but he can't bowl because
bro,
He's a IPL hat-trick.
Yeah, wow, like amazing. I don't think he's physically capable of bowling at this point. भाई वो fit होके टेस्ट ही खेल ले बहुत. Okay, fine. ठीक है. Just for posterity, मैं अब 11 बता रहा हूँ. मेरे हिसाब से हमने जो डिस्कस किया है, I think this is what the outcome of our discussion is. Mayank and Dhawan, Virat number 3. I would think they will not change. I don't even think they will drop Shreyas from 4. I think Shreyas
Yeah.
plays 4, Rahul plays 5, Hardik plays 6, Jadeja plays 7. You have the 4 bowlers. Then you have
कहीं पे भी खिला दो यार,
depending
कोई फर्क नहीं
because you already have Jadeja, you have a spinner, so you probably drop Kuldeep. You play Chahal and you play
Yeah.
the 3 seamers, Navdeep, Jassi, and
Yeah.
Shami. I think that is what the team becomes on the 27th.
7 नंबर के बाद जैसे भी ऑर्डर रहने दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला.
हाँ, that's what ऐसे. Anyway, predictions, boys. The prediction time.
10 seconds each.
So some person is wearing yellow, तो हम लोग उसी से start करते हैं.
Totally
और
random.
Aussie,
I'm wearing a
Aussie.
Cuban jersey.
Atul,
I'm black, New Zealand.
No, I'm not going for a 3-0 sweep. It will be a 2-1 win for the Australian team. Like, that's how I'm going forward with this. But let's hope India wins. I'm an Indian at the end of the day, but I think it will be a
choice नहीं थी ज़्यादा,
Body
but
clarify.
A point that you had to say and sort of
Yeah.
prove it and shove it down the throat of the audiences.
yeah,
Dude, yeah,
2-1,
like-
2-1 for Australia, I think.
He put Shubman Gill at number 6, then he is wearing orange, the yellow color thing. So he had to prove it to the people that भाई Australia भले जीते, मैं Indian हूँ, India मेरे को चाहिए जीतने को.
अरे ठीक है. शुभमन भी last I checked was Indian only. आओ, प्रथमेश तुम बताओ. What's your
Oh my
prediction?
God. But I'm still going to be a little anti-national in my predictions. I'm going to go 2-1 Australia myself because I feel that they look a more cohesive unit right now.
So I get the bashing for saying the same thing. Yeah, I see,
Yeah,
I see you guys. I see
you
you
get the
guys.
bashing.
Just because he doesn't have Gill in the team, and I
Yeah.
had him, so I'm getting the.
No, you're very,
Bro,
you're very
it
yellow
was
as well.
it was the entire chicken and egg discussion, and Dono like compromised and made an omelette out of it. It's like that.
Akshay, what
Oh
about
my
you?
God.
You do that with life.
इंडिया मतलब ऑब्वियसली
2-1.
अपना इनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी रहता है ना, लाइनअप से लेके क्या करने वाला है बंदा, क्या कैसा फील्ड सेटिंग कैसा होता है, सब अनप्रेडिक्टेबल होता है. आई थिंक दैट विल सरप्राइज ऑस्ट्रेलियंस और will win.
That was a nice one. That was a nice one.
That's
And he's the
next
one wearing
level.
blue.
Next
I
level.
hope that surprise doesn't surprise us.
So what about you, Anurag?
I'll jump the gun a little bit. I'll say India will win it 2-1 or 3-0 because see, I think Australian batsmen are not in the greatest of form as people think. Warner ka IPL itna khas nahi tha. Let's be
Labuschagne
honest.
hasn't played for
Played
like
in a while. I think they're a little more rusty than what we are. So I think
At
that is
least in
going to
white
play
ball cricket,
differently.
yes. That
Yeah, I
my
think the
worry
white
is
ball
red
cricket is definitely in our hands. For the very same reason that we didn't have practice, I think test matches is going to be a little different story. We'll talk about that later. But I think I think we actually have one hand on the trophy.
Wow. Oh, yeah. I'll also go for a. I really want
Want to say
go
3-0.
for
You want to say 3-0.
Yeah, I
You
really
want
want
to
to
say
go for a 3-0, but I'll go for a safe 2-1 because there is a possibility India might lose the first match because of all the acclimatization and everything else in the pitch, foreign conditions, and
That's what we say every time. Like even if we're there for the 10 days, we'll say that we didn't acclimatize and we lose the
By
first.
the way, Atul, this is probably the longest time Indian team has spent in Australia before a tour. Probably the longest at all. तो मतलब वो बहाना भी शायद थोड़ा सही नहीं बैठा.
In 2014, when we went, we stayed. We went in November end. We stayed till the World Cup was done. That was the only other long stay that I remember.
But we started playing much faster than what we have because COVID and quarantine and everything else.
Totally. Yeah.
So once again, boys, thank you so much for joining me here, and we look forward to the series, guys. It's going to be a cracker. Australia versus India almost always is. And we're looking forward to some fantastic performances from our Indian stars. Hoping for an Indian win. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do check out TSD for all of our coverage with respect to the Australia versus India series and this season.